Hello everyone, my name is Krista. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Krista's Fun Craft. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper boat like this one. So let's get started. And after you end of this video, please like, subscribe and share. So let's get started. First, let's tear a page. This is enough. Should have a rectangular. Okay. So first, fold the paper like this one and press it. So you fold like this and turn and fold it again. Make sure it is neat. So now you got this and open it like this. You should not fold over here. You should fold the closed part. Okay. Then from here you need it to fold it near the middle line and press it neatly. And do it same on the other side. Okay, you got this. Then from the open part, take one part like this and fold it. Do the same on the other side. Got a shelf like this. Now, if you can see our open part at the bottom, you open it and you can fold it like this. So you get like this. Okay. Now you can see these both open parts. Take one of them and fold it. Do the other. Okay, you can see another open part from the bottom. Open it and you can see a selfie. So you open the part and got a very great boat. So even at the down you can even put your finger and you can hold it. And thank you for watching my video. I love you all and please subscribe, like and write a comment. Thank you.